What's up guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video we are gonna make a favorite fermented food around here, and that is kimchi. Fermented foods is a very beneficial way of getting a good probiotic into our bodies. A lot of us have more bad bacteria in our guts, and we want to help balance that out by adding some good bacteria in, which is with fermented foods. And you want to always get a good variety of fermented foods, so a lot of times we'll do kombucha for supper. We like our kimchi or our sauerkraut in the morning for breakfast, and then also around lunchtime we sometimes add in yogurt for a different variety of probiotics. This is a very simple kimchi recipe, and so we're going to go ahead and get started. are all ready to go, and that was simple and easy, and the kids even can do it. I was excited they wanted to jump in and actually get their hands in and chop and cut. They pretty much did the whole thing, so now they know how to ferment and make kimchi.
Yep.
Now we're just gonna let this ferment for anywhere from 10 to 14 days. We usually like going the full 14 days. And then when it's done fermenting, you're just gonna take you put that on tight. Take your lid off, put a flat on, grab your little puck out too, put a flat on, and then we'll just store it away in the fridge. After that, it'll last several months in the refrigerator, but we will eat this way before then. New to eating fermented food, you only want a tablespoon or 2 at the beginning. Trust me, don't eat any more than that, even though you may think it's really yummy and really good. Just start out, like I said, with a tablespoon or 2 and go from there. So this is a wonderful way to get good bacteria, good probiotics into your diet. We like to eat the kimchi for breakfast a lot of times with our eggs. Now these guys probably won't eat this.
Yeah, we don't like spice very much.
No.
It's a little spicy, so what we did do, I had about a half a head of the green cabbage left, and so we chopped up 2 small apples, and we made sauerkraut with apples in it. So they're definitely going to be trying this one. I want to start getting more fermented food in their diets. So I think this is going to be a good one for them to try. I actually haven't tried sauerkraut with the fermented apples yet either, so pretty excited about this one as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you try our kimchi recipe. It was simple and easy. It'll be ready in 14 days. Please comment below, do you incorporate fermented food into your diets? And if so, let us know what your favorite ferment is. Catch you on the next video. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.